In today's video, I will walk you through how to add comparison charts in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to open the comparison feature, add multiple stock symbols to a chart, and customize how the comparison data is displayed inside Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the main interface, move to the upper right side of the screen. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Comparisons icon and click on it. This will open the comparison tools that allow you to add multiple stocks into a single chart view. After clicking the icon, select Add Symbol. This is where you choose the stock you want to compare against your current chart. In this example, the comparison is between Apple and Netflix. Click on Netflix from the available list to add it as the comparison symbol. Once selected, a new chart will automatically appear showing both stocks together for comparison. With both symbols now displayed, you can adjust how the chart looks and behaves. To do this, click on the Settings icon within the Chart tools. This will open customization options for your comparison chart. Inside the Settings menu, you can change the visual appearance of the chart. This includes adjusting the color of the comparison lines, changing the line weight, and modifying the style so each stock is easier to distinguish. These options help make the chart clearer when viewing multiple assets at the same time. You can also change how the comparison is positioned on the chart. Choose between Overlay, where both stocks appear on the same chart layer, or Below, where the comparison appears in a separate section under the main chart. Select the layout that best fits your viewing preference. Once your settings are adjusted, the comparison chart will update automatically to reflect your changes. You can continue modifying symbols or settings at any time using the same tools. And that is how you add comparison charts in Robinhood Legend.